Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today's video gonna be really very short because I have just one website today from where you can get a lot of design files for free. Yeah, this is totally for free, and all of them are specifically Figma files. Okay, specifically Figma files. So this is gonna be mostly for Figma users, but it has really good kind of collection UI collection to it. That's why I'm sharing it today. So let's just share the platform, and that will be it for this video. Okay, so let's just get started. Okay, so today we are here at UI Kit 2, and as you can see, it's a fairly simple site to download things, and you can like it's really bare minimal, to be honest. There's nothing fascinating in it, nothing like so cool in it. As you can see, here are the templates that you can obviously use uh, by downloading it, and it's all free. Okay, so suppose like I really like this design, and if you want to download it, like click on it, and here you can see this design as well. See, here I can say it as well. Okay, so yeah, it really looks great, and click on download to download it, and you just have to give your email id here in order to get the downloadable file, like get the file. It will automatically start downloading on this site only. You just have to like pass on your email id. That's it, nothing else, nothing really else about this website. And about the quality of the content they are providing, to be honest, I didn't feel like those are bad because I really liked it. So here is one of them. I would like to show it to you, that I have downloaded. So I have downloaded this one, and here it is. Let it load interior page, and the quality of the design is quite good, to be honest. So you, first of all, you can learn a lot from it. The design, the aesthetics, how the colors are there, like how they have managed and positioned all of those. Like, yeah, there's a lot to learn. And all in all, the quality of the design is also great. Here you can see, wait, here you can see that how the blur is there, like really subtle touches and all. Now, yeah, all of the designs not gonna be great. It's obvious because obviously all files are not great, but yeah, some of the files are really great, and like those uis are really intuitive and really like great looking. But yeah, I don't know where you will get those font files. As you can see, here is the font files plus Jakarta Sans. I don't know if it's available for like free or it's a paid font, but this font really looks really good, looks really good, to be honest. So yeah, that's about it about this website, that about this like files and all. And how to import your files in Figma, I most probably, I think you know about that, right? So yeah, that's it about this website. That's it about this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know the some of the really, it is not that top notch kind of website, but it works, and it works great. Okay, and you can get free stuffs basically. So if you know some of the website like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future videos. And you can also get some free stuffs, I can also get some free stuff. So yeah, that's it, bye.